Hey everyone, quick video today. I just want to show the latest carpet and seat cleaning technique that I absolutely love. Shout out to Nick with Aqua Pro Detailing for showing this bonnet method. This hand bonnet is available from Excellent Supply. I will put the link in the description below. I use their carpet cleaner called Encap DS2. In my hot water bucket, I have 2 gallons of very hot water, 4 ounces of Encap DS2. And then it's soaked with that bonnet. The only difference I use in my method compared to his is I do use an extractor. I probably use a little bit more cleaning chemical or solution, so I always hit it real quick with the extractor as quickly as I can to pull out all of that water from the seat. This is the second pass. You can see that I'm just going back, trying to remove as much junk, probably spilled pop or coffee that was in that seat. Not everything is out of it, but it made a drastic difference before and after. But I just love how quick and easy and efficient this process is, and I love that chemical Encap DS2. I like knowing that any of the cleaning chemical that as it dries will just kind of turn into a small pellet or granule that can be easily vacuumed up later and avoids wicking. Here you can see all the dirty gunk pulled from the couple seats that I did in carpet. But yeah, love the method.